Hey guys, I was meant to be on a call now that had to be cancelled, unfortunately. So I'm going to do a very short video to show you how you can make faceless videos, right? We've talked about some of this before, so maybe you've seen it, but are you doing it? That's my question. Are you doing it, right? So this is for we're doing some work for Laurie and Wes Benson, right? They're both seven-figure earners, and they came to us to help them with AI and social media to help their team, right? So they know what they're doing. They're teaching us. It's fantastic, right? So I've got to do some posts for it. So here you go. Look, here's what I've done. So I went into ChatGPT and I said, "Hi, I need to create 7 scripts for an AI to digital AI avatar software. The videos are giving a pain point and then a solution as to how video email can solve that problem, right? Because that's their product, right? You may want to look for stats, pain points, and frustrations of sending email and what Talk Fusion can do better. Please ask me anything you need to know. That these are for video shorts and can be very short. So it says thanks for the context. Okay. Before I draft, and it's asked me target audience, the tone, the video length, the stats, and the proof, the call to action. It's asked me various things. So I've answered the questions. One, this, two, that, three, that, four, that. Yours will be what yours is, right? So don't get too caught up on mine, right? Just remember that prompt. Pause the screen, write it down if you want. Okay. Or take a screen grab and put it into ChatGPT and say, can you turn this back into text for me? And it will, right? Okay. So it says, okay, here's the 7 video scripts. But what it's done, it's actually given me, the hook, the pain, the solution. For what I'm going to do, I don't want this. I just want the script, right? I just want the script, right? So I've said to it at the bottom here, got it. Here are the 7. Oh, sorry, they are good. I just need them purely as script, please. Got it. Here are the 7 scripts. Scripts stripped down as pure read aloud scripts for your AR avatar, right? So here's script 1, low open rates, right? Do you send emails that never get opened? Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Now, one thing I've learned on when you use these things, these talking head AI avatars, whatever. If you put in 1 minute payclub.info, it kind of reads it like it tries to read it all as one word. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go into captions, okay, and we're going to click. So this I pay like $10 a month for this. There is a free version, but if you want to do more, it's like $10 a month. And these are all out of order. I don't know why, because that I did that one when I first got it as a test. So anyway, we go AI creator, and we're going to go custom, and then I paste in my script, and I want to change this to 1 minute payclub.info. And if you want to make it even better, you put a comma after these. So it'll say 1 pause, minute pause, pay, oops, the club. All right, and then dot, okay, comma, info to get better email and make it pay. There we go. So I click edit style. I select who I want to say it, whether it be Cash, whether it be me. Okay, could be me. Or it could be one of these people. So the one I did earlier, yesterday, I mean, was Ellie, sorry. So I'm going to pick Ellie again. Okay, so I've got continuity, right? So she's doing this like promotion for me. And then you wait. Now, while that's generating, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Canva. Now, what I'm doing now, right? You can do this in CapCut as well. I just use Canva because I've got a paid subscription to Canva. Again, it's very, very cheap, right? Um, so I'm going to create a TikTok video, right? Because it's the same size as a Facebook Reel, YouTube Short, TikTok video. Oh, it's 16%. 50%, that jumped. Now you can take this video and you can load it straight into your social medias. But I'm going to do something a bit different. Well, it will go onto social media ultimately, but I want to brand it a bit better. Now, can you see how you could be sat watching TV and you could be doing these while you're sat watching TV? I'm going to check out their other. I don't know if you can bulk create with the higher levels. I might do that. Okay, so here's my video. Let's have a look. Did I share sound on the screen? Share sound. Yes, I did. What a professional, except I forgot I did. Right.
Do you send emails that never get opened? Most marketers only get 20 to 30% open rates. It's frustrating when your message is ignored. Video emails change that. Just adding the word video to your subject line boosts opens by up to 19%. TalkFusion makes it easy to grab attention with video. Stop being ignored. Go to 1minutepayclub.info to get better email and make it pay.
See what I mean? That's brilliant, isn't it, the way it does that? So what I do now, I can change the captions. I don't think I can add anything to it in captions, which is why. Oh, can I add an image? Oh, maybe I can add an image. Right. Import an image. There we go. See, I didn't even know you could do this. Right, so downloads, and I've got the TalkFusion logo here with a transparent background. Oh yeah, look, I can do it inside captions. There we go. I was going to do it in Canva, but look, I can do it in captions. Right, so if I put that there, like that, let's just play it and make sure it's good.
Do you send emails that never get opened? Most marketers only get 20 to 30% open rates.
No, how did that go wrong? Learning all the time. Images. Library. Recents. Oh, no recents. I'm going to put that I see what's happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shrink it down to try and make it look a bit like it's on a t-shirt. I know it isn't. Okay, but I'll try and make it look like it's a bit like it's on a t-shirt. And then look, I need to extend that all the way across. It's in the right place. Actually, it's probably a bit easier in Canva, except you have to. Let's get rid of that. Delete. Okay, so there we go. So I've dragged that all the way along. That's probably an easier way to do that. I'll play around.
Get better email and make it pay.
There we go. Fantastic. So let's go back to the beginning.
Do you send emails that never get opened? Most marketers only get 20 to 30% open rates. It's frustrating when your message is ignored. Video emails change that. Just adding the word video to your subject line boosts opens by up to 19%. TalkFusion makes it easy to grab attention with video. Stop being ignored. Go to 1minutepayclub.info to get better email and make it pay.
Okay, so now what I would do is I would come here and I would say, please give me relevant hashtags. Go with the description. And it's giving me the hashtags. So now all you need to do is you download it, click export, and then you upload it to your social media profiles. Thought I might as well do a quick training for you just because that other thing got cancelled. That's how easy it is to create those videos. All right, have fun, enjoy.